Hey guys, you have learned how to add and subtract decimal in 6th grade. So we're gonna review it together. And for 7th grade, you're gonna deal with add and subtract rational number, which you're gonna see a lot of negative number. Okay, let's start with the review. So this is the table that's step by step of how to add and subtract decimal. That first you're gonna line up, and then you're gonna add the 0, and then you can start to add and subtract. Make sure you bring down your decimal, and then you're gonna check the answer to see are they reasonable or not. Let's try 9.2 plus 7.17. So we're gonna line them up, line up the decimal. After that, you're gonna fill in the 0, and then we can start to add. 0 plus 7, 7, 2 plus 1, 3, 9 plus 7, 16. Bring down the decimal. So 9 plus 7 is 16, so whatever the decimal is close. Number 2, 99.28 minus 11.03. Line up the decimal and start to subtract. We don't need to fill in the 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring down the decimal. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, so when you add or subtract rational, we still need to use the integer rules. Okay, so for addition, make sure you follow, I call it the song. So same side, you're gonna add and keep. Different side, you're gonna subtract and keep the sign of higher number. These two together. When you see subtraction, you must use KAO, keep, add, opposite. Let's practice some of them. Number 1. You have 5.15 plus negative 6.78. So they are different signs. One is positive, one is negative. So different side, you're gonna subtract. So subtract 6.78 minus 5.15. 8 minus 5, 3, 7 minus 1, 6, 6 minus 5, 1. Now, make sure, don't forget to keep the sign of higher number. So higher number is negative 6.78. So the answer will be negative 1.63. Number 2. Are they same side or different side? They are same side. So for same side, you're gonna add and keep the side. So I'm gonna add them up. 10.97 add 2.3. Okay, fill in the 0. 7 add 0, 7, 9 add 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 add that 1 will be 3. Put down the 1. And then don't forget the decimal. Now, same side, add and keep the side. So the answer will be negative 13.27. Number 3. This is subtraction. So you're going to use KAO. Keep the first number. Change the subtraction to add, opposite. So keep 2.61, change subtraction to add. Opposite of negative 1.27 will be positive 1.27. So I remember some of your teachers see, if you see the negative and negative there, make it to be positive. And then you can line up and add them up. 1 add 7 is 8. 6 add 2 is 8. 2 add 1 is 3. 3.88 will be your answer. Number 4, a subtraction problem. A small number subtract to a big number. I'm going to UKAO. Keep the first number, change subtraction to addition. Opposite of 11.22 will be negative 11.22. Now, we're going to follow the addition rule that they are different side. You're going to subtract them and keep the side of higher number. So we're going to subtract for this problem. 11.22 subtract 8.11. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 11 minus 83. Okay? The answer will be 3.11. Keep the sign of higher number. So 11 is higher than 8. So the answer is negative 3.11. All right. So you can complete the independent practice on your own. I'm going to post the key on Schoology so you can compare your answer at the end. Okay?